I want to show you how to take care of your coating. This is O&R, which you got in your wash kit. And just to refresh your memory, first thing we want to do is spray this over the vehicle. Now I haven't washed this in a week, so it's pretty dirty. It may not show up on the camera, but trust me, it's got plenty of dirt on here. You can see the swipes there. So I'm just going to spray this on. Now what O&R does is it actually encapsulates all the dirt on the panel, and it just forms kind of like a little capsule around the dirt, such that when I wipe it off, I'm lifting it off with the microfiber towel just like this. And then I just keep changing the towel so that I've got a fresh side to it. Now you don't have to switch it this often. I'm just kind of showing you for effect how to do this. And I always recommend that you have at least 3 of these towels to do your vehicle. It just makes it a whole lot easier, and that way you're not reintroducing any dirt back into the car. So that's it. That's essentially all you need to do. You can go back over it now. I actually just, I may have put a little too much O&R on this, quite frankly. Now make sure you do this in the garage, or if you don't have a garage, do it in the evening when the sun goes down, or in the morning. You want the O&R to look about like this. This is highly concentrated. You don't want to get too much. If it's too much darker than this, it may leave streaks. So dilute it, spray it on, wipe it off, and that's how it's done. Now you can use this on the wheels as well, which is the nice thing about having your wheels coated. You can see these wheels haven't been cleaned in a while. Look at that dirt. All you have to do, same thing, just spray this on your wheels, because we coat your wheels. And you just let that sit there for a while. Now, once I do the wheels with this towel, I'm not going to use the towel on any other part of the car. I'm just going to use, and you may want to make one of these just your wheel towel. But just like that, you can see how much dirt I'm pulling off of the wheel. But having them coated makes all the difference in the world, because this stuff just comes off just like this. These wheels probably haven't been cleaned in a month. But look how much dirt's just coming right off of them. Look at that. And now the wheels are clean. It's that easy, it's that simple. Now, because this is pH neutral, we can also use it for the glass. It's very easy just to do the glass with. Now at the shop, when we clean your car, we'll always go over it with what we call IPA. That's isopropyl alcohol, or rubbing alcohol, mixed 50-50 with water that's filtered. Now one other thing that can happen here is that you can do this on the inside of your car as well. This is all pH neutral, so it's not going to hurt your interior at all. I don't care if it's leather, plastic, fabric, it's not going to hurt it. So you can just wipe down the inside of your car the same way. You may want to have a towel just to use for the interior, although it's not necessary. But you know, that way you have one for the wheels, one for the outside, one for the interior, etc. And there you go. Your interior is now clean. So wash it, dry it. If you have any questions at all, call us here at Dripping Auto Pros. We'll answer all your questions and keep you on the straight and narrow of keeping your coating nice and clean.